This is Activity 5.3 on page 126, Setting Formatting and Editing Restrictions. The file we will be working with in this activity is Securing Risk Assessment. You will apply password protection to a document to prevent formatting and editing changes. Number 1, we're going to display the Developer tab. We're going to start by opening up our document. So we still have My Screening Form open. We're not going to use that right this second. We're going to open another document by going to File, Open, our Browse button, and it should open you to the Securing a Document folder. We're going to choose Securing Risk Assessment from here and click Open. And we want to display our Developer tab. We're going to go to File, down to Options to open our Word Options dialog box. On the right panel, we're going to select Customize Ribbon. And in our Customize the Ribbon section to the right, you want to scroll down and we're going to check off the Developer tab to add that to our ribbon. Click OK. And you can see I now have Developer on my ribbon tabs. Number 2, apply editing restrictions to the document. I'm going to navigate to my Developer tab, and in my Protect group, I'm going to select the Restrict Editing command. In our Restrict Editing task pane, in the Editing Restrictions section, we're going to check Allow only this type of editing in the document. And from the drop-down in the Editing Restrictions section, we're going to select Comments. Number 3, enforce the editing restrictions. In the Restrict Editing task pane, in the Start Enforcement section towards the bottom, we're going to select Yes, Start Enforcing Protection, and it's going to prompt us for a password. Make sure you type this in, because if you type it in incorrectly twice, it will protect the document, and when you go to try to unprotect it or remove the protection, if you're typing in the correct password that the book says, it's not going to let you remove the protection, and I will not be able to take that off. Alright, so we have the letter 2, the word protect, the word from, capital F, revs, capital R. So that's 2, protect, from, revs. And I actually might have mistyped there. Let me check. Nope, I got it. Alright, in the Restrict Editing task pane, in the Your Permission section, observe the message indicating that the document is protected from unintentional editing. You may only insert comments into this region. We're going to close out our task pane. We're going to do a Save As on our file. File, Save As, in our current folder, Securing a Document. Update our name to My Securing Risk Assessment, and click Save. Now we're going to test out the restrictions that we placed on the document. We're going to select any text in the document and try to delete it. So I'm going to select this title and hit my delete key. And you can see down in my status bar, you can't make this change because the selection is locked. We're going to go to our Home tab, and you can see none of my formatting options are available to me. I am not able to format any of the document either. What I am allowed to do, if I go to my Review tab, you can see I can add a new comment. So with this text selected, I'm just going to hit New Comment. And I'll just do example comment for restrictions. So it does let me save that comment into my document. That is the only thing that I have the power to do with this protection put in place now. All right, so I'll go up to my quick access toolbar and save my changes, and we will leave this document open as well.